Hello, this video is going to go over how to get started on the intermediate HTML lessons. So first, when you're on your dashboard, you're going to go to the left side and click Learn to Code. Then you're going to go to Intermediate Lessons and click the HTML with the 5. So when you haven't started before, it's going to go ahead and start you on Lesson 1, and this is what it looks like. So it has a combination of beginner and expert. So Lesson 1, HTML tags. It says, what is a HTML tag? Think of HTML tags as the bread in a web page sandwich. Every web page begins and ends with an HTML tag. These tags tell the browser how to read the rest of the document and when to stop reading. So when you're going through this, if you would like the computer to read it to you, you can click the speak box. When you want it to stop, click stop. And when you're ready to move on, click next. So then it continues giving directions. In this lesson, we will use HTML to represent the HTML tags. Each page will start and stop with a draggable HTML image. Again, you have your speak and your stop options here. When you're ready to move on, click next. Your task is to create a web page by dragging two HTMLs from the tag box on the right into the text editor on the left. Then click on the second HTML tag to close it. Once you have completed your task, click the blue Run Code button on the bottom left corner. When you're ready to start coding, click Got It. So there's a couple different components of this web page. If you would like the directions to be pulled up again, you're going to click this white arrow in the yellow box and you can have the directions pulled up again. When you're ready to submit your code, you're going to click Run Code. Over here on the bottom right, there is information about the piece of code that you're using. Over here we have like our draggable area. Up here where it says Lesson 1 HTML tags, we have our progress bar. You can see the floating text kind of going to help you out on where to place it. And then over here it says text.html. We have our trash can to delete text and our circle to restart or refresh. So let's go ahead and complete the first lesson. So in the directions, it stated you must have two HTML tags. The first one that I just dragged over is called an opening tag. You'll need a second one called a closing tag. Now to make that tag a closing tag, you're going to simply click it and you notice how then it has the / and it turned red. That means it's the closing tag. And that's going to work for all the different draggable items over here for this lesson. When you're ready, you click Run Code. It says, congratulations, you've just programmed your first web page. Click X in the upper right corner to exit the screen. Then click the purple view code in the bottom left corner of the screen. So you can click out and then have your code showing right here. You also have some other icons up here that you are more than welcome to click around with. And this progress bar is your avatar progress. So hopefully this video is helpful. Happy coding!